Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's homecoming week. Oh my gosh, I am so excited, you guys. If you're new to my channel, my husband's been deployed since January. It's August, it's been 8 months. I haven't seen him, and he comes home tomorrow, and I am so freaking excited. So today I am just going to be taking the time to decorate the house a little bit. I'm going to make his favorite treats because I just want him to walk into the house and everything just be super nice and just have a little surprise for him because he deserves it. He's literally been working the past 8 months. So that is today's video. I really hope you guys enjoy. If you do, please give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you. Oh, and by the way, so literally, when he left for deployment, we didn't even know I was pregnant, and I am now 33 weeks pregnant. So that just goes to show you how long he's been gone. I'm literally 7 weeks away from having this baby, and he left, and we didn't even know I was pregnant. So it's been a long time, and I am just so happy to have my husband back. I have missed him so much, and I'm so excited for him to meet little baby Bump. So anyway, let's get into it. We're gonna start with baking his favorite treat, which are magic bars. So literally he gets home tomorrow, and today these were waiting for me on my doorstep. A dozen roses, a little teddy bear, a box of chocolates, and this little note that says he's right around the corner. Flowers and chocolate are for you, and he got the little teddy bear for little man. Like, he is literally the sweetest man in the world. I'm just so lucky to have him. To make the magic bars, you guys, so good. You're going to need a 13x9 glass dish. You're going to need some aluminum foil. You're going to need 1 stick of butter. You're going to need a box of graham cracker crumbs, coconut flakes, a 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. You are going to need semi-sweet chocolate chips. And then the recipe calls for butterscotch, but we don't like butterscotch, so we go with Reese's peanut butter chips. And that is going to be it. Okay, so if you are using a glass dish, you're gonna preheat to 325. If you're using just like a metal pan or something like that, you're gonna do 350. Sorry, don't yell at me. Start. While that's preheating, you just are going to line your glass baking dish with aluminum foil. All right, so it's going to look like this. Make sure you get all of the sides. Go ahead and put your stick of butter inside the pan, and then pop it in the oven, and you're just gonna put it in the oven until the butter is nice and melted. All right, so once your butter is melted, gonna kind of just take your pan and swish it around so it gets coated everywhere. And then you're gonna go ahead and sprinkle in 1.5 cups of graham cracker crust. All right, so it should look a little something like this, nice and evenly spread out. And then we're going to add our 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, and you're just gonna kind of spread it on like this. 1 cup of your peanut butter chips if you want to make it like I do, or you can use butterscotch like the recipe calls for if you like butterscotch, but I think they are really good with peanut butter, and that is how hubby likes them, so that is what we are doing. 1 cup of chocolate chips. I realized I accidentally bought mini ones, so that's fine. It'll still work the same, but the recipe does call for just regular chocolate chips. So, whoopsie, my bad, pregnancy brain. Then we are finishing up with 1 cup of our sweetened coconut flakes. The regular recipe also calls for chopped walnuts, but we don't like it with nuts. So you can add nuts on top if you want, but we will be leaving that out. Then once all of your ingredients are in, you're just gonna take a fork and press everything evenly into the pan. Okay, moving on to decorations. I'm going with a red, white, and blue America theme, you know, military deployment, kind of all goes together. So I went to the Dollar Tree and I just got balloons. So we're gonna start with blowing up our balloons. I got red, white, and blue, and then just this little pump so that I don't get exhausted blowing it up and I can get a little bit of an arm workout in there while we're going. So it is time to blow up our balloons.
A million people in the crowd, but I only see your face in all the lights. And as the bass keep pounding on me, baby, I really wanna make you mine. I don't really care about love. I don't really care.
All right, balloons are done. So next are the signs, and I went ahead and just got some poster board from the Dollar Tree and some paint from the Dollar Tree, and I just made some quick basic signs, nothing crazy, nothing fancy.
Care about happy ever after. Something about you gives me hope.
But the first one just says, "Welcome home, hubby." I'm gonna hang this one up. And then this is just a funny one I'm gonna put in our room. I'll show you how I do that one later. But this says, "No more duty, report for booty," because you already know.
Something about you, yeah.
Okay, so next I just have some red, white, and blue streamers, and I'm going to tape those all up on the wall.
When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause deep inside of my wildest dreams, you'll be by my side when the sun goes
So next up, I am going to decorate the table all nice and cute. So I found this little paper roll at the Target dollar spot. It was $3. So I'm going to lay this out across the table. I'm going to write something cute on it, and then I will show you how else I'm going to decorate the table.
city dancing through the night, but I'm not there. You've got me soaring in the clouds, and as the ocean.
All right, so you can't have a homecoming without a few presents, and he was gone for his birthday, he was gone for our anniversary, and he was gone for Valentine's Day, so I got him a gift for each of those. So this one I wrote, "To Daddy from Baby Boy, I love you," and I just got him this really cute book that says "My Dad." Thought that would be really sweet for him to read to little man when he's here. And then I got him one that says "To Dad from Winston," which is our dog, and I found this really cute shirt, and it says "Dumbbells, Deadlifts, and Diapers," and he's like a huge, loves working out, and now he's gonna be a daddy, so I thought that was super cute. And then this one I wrote, "To Hubby, Love Wifey," and I got him a little shirt that says "Dada." I got the matching one that says "Mama," and these are gonna be our shirts that we wear home from the hospital. So I just got him a few gifts that I'm gonna go ahead and put in the bags and put those on the table as well. So I just have a few pieces of leftover streamer, and I was like, ooh, I'm gonna cut those up into little pieces to make some confetti. So I'm literally just cutting them, and this is a super easy way just to make your own confetti.
Surrounding me, baby. I'm sure we lost track of time.
So for this, I ended up just being pretty simple. I just wrote "I love you most," and then a bunch of different reasons why I missed him so much. So just plain simple with the confetti, and then I have a few more things I'm gonna add. All right, so for these, I'm going to cut them up into little squares and put them in these cute little American cupcake, what are these called? Cupcake baking cups that I got at Michael's. I thought they would be really cute just to go with the red, white, and blue theme that I'm going for. So yeah, I'm just gonna cut them up into little squares, put them in here, and then I'm gonna place them all around the table over there.
I don't really care about love. I don't really care about happy ever afters. Something about you gives me hope. Something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down.
Alright, so this is the finished product for the table. I just went ahead and added all of his favorite little magic bars that I baked in the cute cups. I added his favorite candies and then the sign and all of his presents. So this is what it looks like.
And the night sky's falling. Do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause deep inside of my wildest dreams, you'll be by my side when the sun goes down.
You excited to see Daddy? You excited to see Daddy tomorrow? Yeah. Yeah. I know. Me too. Alright guys, so that is going to be it. That is how I am just having everything decorated and waiting at the house for when Jeff gets home tomorrow. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you are new here. I'd love to have you. And I will see you guys next time on Life with Liz. Bye guys.